Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I've got a pretty cool one for you guys. As you can see, Zeera was kind enough to send out 4 of their different iPhone 16 Pro cases. At least I believe they're the 16 Pro version. We will check it out here in a second. We got the iPhone 16 Pro right here in studio. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's take a look at these. So we'll start with this one here. Let's take a look, set these off to the side. And here we go, we got the first one, nothing on the box. So I have no idea what model this is. I don't know what color it is, but we are about to find out together. So here we go. We have this appears to be a 16 Pro case. Pull it right out. Check out that design. Oh, and this is super grippy too. All right, this is something else. This is different. So this is kind of a soft touch carbon fiber look, but you can see the weave is a little different than a normal carbon fiber look. Got really cool attention to detail here. This appears to be a stand. Let's see. Yes, kind of hard to get out, but does not swivel. It is just a typical stand, which I'm guessing has MagSafe compatibility, but we will test that out here in a second. Very cool. Metal buttons, a little bit of branding here. Cut out for the camera control. Let's grab the iPhone 16 Pro here, stick it right in, and that is what it looks like, guys. Check that out. So let's take a look at the resivity right here. You guys can see there's plenty of clearance. I do have a privacy matte screen protector on. That is adding to the screen's thickness, and you can see it still clears it when I set it down. No issues there. Buttons, let's feel those. They feel good. Action button. Wow, these are very clicky buttons as well. Love that. Now this is the camera cutout. I bash every single case that has this because I think it should be an actual capacitive button right here. I don't think it should be a hole, but I think in the future case companies will fix that. But for now, this is what we're stuck with. Here's what the bottom looks like, the side. Let's check out that back. So resivity right here looks good. No issues with that. And then right here we have MagSafe. Now let's test out MagSafe first, and then we'll test out the kickstand. This is a very unique looking case. Setting it on here, does it charge up? Of course it does. Let's see, how strong is this one? Ooh, that's good. 7.6 out of 10, very strong. No problems at all with that one. Let's test out this kickstand. So I had a hard time, I have a hard time getting my fingernail in there to pull this out. But yeah, this one's a little bit difficult to get it going. It's very stiff, which is a good thing because now you can get it to the exact position of your liking. And just like that, you have a great setup for a FaceTime call or something else, watching a movie. But look at this design. I've not seen another case that has quite this look to it. Definitely a conversation starter and an eye catcher for sure. If you're out in public and someone sees you rocking this case, they're definitely going to ask you what this is. I know I would because I've not seen one with this design. All right, let's move on to the next. Actually, before we do that, let's weigh this one. So bringing out the old scale here. Let's see, what are we at? We are at 42 grams, so this is not going to add too much bulk to your phone. I really like this one. Let's move on to the next. Next up, again, nothing on the box. I have no idea what this one is. It has a little bit of foam in it, and all right, so wow, these are very unique cases. It says 16p right there to let you know. Does this come off? Yes, it does. Oh my gosh, this is like those old-timey like iPhone 4S cases where the bottom could come out. In this case, it actually, no pun intended, can actually help you put it on without messing up your button. All right, so I snapped this top portion in. And then I'm guessing you just slide this rubbery portion on. Yeah. And just like that, you've got a tight fit. Now, if you drop your phone, will this come off? I don't know. But now I can see the glory of the desert titanium right there. Camera resivity is just fine. No issues there. We got MagSafe on the back. We've also got metal buttons, or at least metal feeling buttons. Let's test those out. Very clicky. No issues with that. Camera button cut out right there. Now we do have, let's check out that resivity. I don't know about this. I think that my screen protector is actually my screen protector touches. So keep that in mind. If you have a screen protector, the resivity on this case is not going to be enough to go over there. Very, very strange case. I like it, but it's so different. I wonder if this is going to easily come off. Doesn't feel like it. The bottom here, you're covered. So you actually do have pretty good protection down here. It's just weird that the resivity is not high enough. Interesting case. All right, well, let's go ahead and test out MagSafe here. Of course it works. There we go. Let's see how strong it is. I give this one let's do a 6.9 out of 10. So our average is about 7, so it's all right. Nothing crazy. It will add a little bit, a couple scratches on here when you use that. Just keep that in mind. But overall, not a bad case. This is just so strange because it almost feels like you're not wearing a case because there's no resivity. And it's so unique. I've not seen one quite like this. Let's see how much this one weighs. 0 grams and 24 grams. Super lightweight. Check this one out if you're looking for a very light case. All right, next up, again, no clue what it is. Pop it open here. This is another clear case. Let's see what we've got. This one's a little easier to open. And all right, so this one is softer on the sides and clear around the middle here. I can kind of see the MagSafe magnets in there. Interesting. There's yellowing. We always rate these. This is probably a, I don't know, 1.5 out of 10. So there's a tiny bit of yellowing. Over about a year, it probably will get yellow, but that's the case with all of these flexible styles, especially around the corners. It is what it is. That just comes with the territory if you want a case like this. Let's just do the weight real quick on this one. There we go. 29 grams, very lightweight. No issues with that. Let's put it on the phone. And this is your typical clear case. Shows the perfect color of the phone right through it. Looks really good. I think they could make this a little bit wider so that you can't see the magnets, because I can definitely see them and that looks a little bit weird. But other than that, let's see the razivity. Looks good. Button feel, very good. No issues there. A little bit stiff actually, but maybe that'll work in with time. Down here at the bottom, it says 16 Pro, like engraved in there. This cutout looks great. No issues with that. Camera cutout the lazy way, but it is what it is. All the companies are pretty much doing it like this. And then over here, we have a lanyard spot. Now check out these corners. You can see the little air pockets. That is going to definitely help against drops when you do drop your phone, if you do. Let's test out the MagSafe on this one. Let's see, does it work? Of course it does. And let's test out how strong. Again, 6.9 out of 10. Nothing crazy, but it gets the job done. If you want a clear case, this might be one to check out, depending on the price. Of course, links down below. And last but not least, we have, I don't know what it is, but we'll find out together here. Is this a black case? Yes, maybe. I guess it's hit or miss with these. This one's hard to open. There we go. Set this to the side, and oh, that is not black. That is all different types of material and color. We got carbon fiber, faux carbon fiber look right here. We have almost a denim look right here. It's definitely a rubber. And then here we have another rubber, which is like a leather. So strange. I have never seen a design like this. Strangely comfortable, like the way that they've melded this on the sides. All right, let's grab the iPhone 16 Pro, stick it right in, and check that out. So if you're looking for something unique, I think you've got it with this one. This is what it's gonna look like on your phone. Razivity, clearance is very close, but I think it should be okay with a screen protector. Let's check this out, the button feel. Yeah, this is by far the most comfortable in the hand of all of these so far. It's so weird to have these different textures because they're all different. Like this is smooth, this is more, I don't know, rough. And then this one is rubbery or grippy. And you can really see like how they put them all together. Let's look at that camera razivity, very good. Cutouts look great. I don't know, this is so weird, but I like it. Like I oddly like this one. This might actually be my favorite out of the bunch to hold. It's just so comfortable and grippy. Like this is nice right here. This is such a weird design. I'm sure it's very polarizing for you guys too, but I like it. So the feel in the hand on this one, top notch. But we have to test out MagSafe here. So does it work? Of course it does. How strong is it? Oh, this one's stronger than the other ones. I'm gonna say those other ones were 6.9. This is probably easily a 7.5. So definitely stronger on this one. It may just be due to the material. This thing sticks better to this type of material. Overall, no issues with MagSafe on any of these, but this one is a little bit stronger. If I was gonna use one every day, this is the most comfortable. This is one I'd rock. Oh, and the weight on this one, let's do that real quick. 33 grams, not bad at all. But again, this design is very polarizing. Some people might not like it. Check it out though. Zeera has very unique cases, as you guys can see from here. I'll have them all linked down below. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.